I have another unboxing video. Let's see. So I have this Vougeraie from J. Moreau Effie. From France, it is a Chenin Blanc. It's slightly sweet. I have 3 of those. Then I have 2 Louis Bernard Coteron made from organic grapes. Beautiful bottle. I think that one is only like 20 bucks a bottle. Dude, I think these are like 16 bucks a bottle. Such a good deal. Then I have this new, I haven't tried this yet, the Count Selection from Buena Vista, which is the oldest winery in Northern California. A rosé from Sonoma. Yes, yes. And one of my favorites, DeLoach, organic and biodynamic from Russian River Valley. They are damn good dirt. My VA Vine, which is a white blend. And I have a DeLoach Rosé Pinot Noir from Sonoma, organic and biodynamic. Let's see, I've got the Countess, one of the favorites always. Got the Countess Red Blend. What else? Yes. Brand new Raymond exclusive selection, Sauvignon Blanc from North Coast. I have a nice white Burgundy Bouchard Aîné Effie, and it is a Bourgogne, yes, Chardonnay, so Chablis style Chardonnay for those who like those types, which is more of a lighter, fresh French style. And then one of my favorites again, the Deputy Petite Syrah.